All right, what's up? We got the Kubota excavator behind us, and I'm having trouble with these hydraulic cylinders. I got to repack them. I got to rebuild them. They're leaking like crazy, so we got to fabricate a tool to get this cylinder gland loose because it is stuck. Let's test it out. Man, I hope this works. I've been fighting with this thing for days. Someone got in here at the pipe wrench before. I'm guessing, you know, it's galled in there. It's got an O-ring right here. That O-ring is probably toast at this point. I got all new seal kits, but man, ugh. So hard to get off. I hope I don't have to take it to a shop for them to put it in their nut buster. So I'm gonna make this thing and we're gonna slam it with the hammer. Bow! Here's some failed attempts. Watch us try to get it off. You're at about 225. So, try it. Pull down a little bit. They say sharp, sharp, sharp. Yeah, like that. Dude, it's just bending this thing. Stop, you're just bending the wrench. You're just bending the wrench.
Really?
I can see it flexing. You're just bending the wrench. Oh! You're losing all your torque on the bend. Might as well forget that. Get the pipe wrench something. I don't know. This is wild. Bend in the pipe. It's flexing it. Jeez Louise. Put some pressure. Don't let it slip off and nick. We're creating more bend avenues. Easy. I don't want it to slip off. Don't jerk it, just twist. I don't think it's hot enough. I don't think it matters. I don't want to do this. Ah! Take it off. Huh? Take it off. This is nuts. Fine. Pull on it. Yo, I just heard something shoot up the pipe. Did it shoot out? What happened? No, you shot gas up into this pipe. That's what happened. That's not moving. I don't know why it's so black. I don't really trust this torch shit. Dude! Easy. Wait, it moved. It moved. Did it slip? Did the tool slip? Something moved. No, it didn't slip. It's moving. Or the thing's bending. I can't tell. I don't know. Go easy. Hold on. Watch out. Yo, that's just bending. The pipe. Is it just bending? It bent my whole jig. Yeah. I heat it up with the torch, not too much to, you know, warp it or anything, melts it. I gotta make a better tool to get on here. Oh man, look at the carnage. Got a pipe wrench, 3-footer, goes all the way in there. That didn't working. Made this thing, that was weak. You know, leverage. Bent that bar, just a guy hanging off the end of it. So I got this spanner wrench and it's not doing it. You know, we need to hit it with the sludge. I mean, we got to shock it. So I got to make a new one, and this hasn't broken yet. All of that didn't work. Pipe wrench is a good idea, but. So I got this 1/2-inch piece of metal here, and I'm cutting some teeth in it. It's pretty hefty. It's got a plate on it so we can hammer it. I'll show you, but I need to keep grinding on this thing so I can get it to fit in the grooves. CC angle grinder, putting in work. This is gonna take a minute. I'm gonna have to just keep grinding on it till we get it right, but I mean, you know. All right, whale it. It popped off. All right. Well, it didn't fall off.
Now, should I do a full swing or should I just?
You need a full swing, don't miss. Easy. Full swing. Don't hit the cylinder.
I need to do like this and drop it.
You gotta get a full swing on.
You gotta get like this.
Miss. It's going, no? It's going! Yes! Yes, buddy! Yes, sir, we got it. Rotated, yes, just like that. Ooh, boy. Rotated it. We will get that thing off of there now. Ratchet straps, my little plate, and did the trick. Sweet! Go, oh, fell out.
Straps off.
Yes, sir, man. Oh, I've been fighting with this thing for days. We got it, yes. So I already got this one apart and drained. That gland was easy, almost hand tight. I don't know, I don't get it. Go. Go.
You need to move the pan.
Pull
dude.
it.
You're pulling it towards
Pull
you.
it, pull it. Oh, dude. Oh.
Taco Bell.
Dude. Oh, dude, he's got all over me. Dude. I let my welding close. Is it, what's on those logs?
Yeah.
It didn't even cook the O-ring.
It did hot.
Yeah, it didn't even cook. Some gunk in there, it's just gunk. Pull on it. Pull that right out yonder. Pull it right out yonder. Easy now. Easy.
You gotta twist it while you pull. Hold on, take this cap. Can you pull it? Easy, we can't scratch it up. It's not going.
It's just rolling.
You gotta...
You gotta move that.
I'm gonna straddle it.
Oh, dude.
No, you're coming out sideways. You need it. Easy.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Alright, we gotta get it straighter.
All right, so here's a closer look at the tool I made. You can see that thing fits it like a glove, just like that. So I want to give y'all a close up. I mean, you know, this is what I call freestyle, and you can come up with any kind of method to get it off. I mean, you could just not have this little ear here and just make it like a hook. You know, I welded this block on here because I thought it was going to be way more stuck than it was. Turns out we would have been all right if we just had a 1/2-inch plate like that, just hit it here. You know, we know for the future now I might have to make another one, but you know, it just slips on and off. And it's just a 1/2-inch plate. Okay, so we got 1/2-inch plate, 1/2-inch there, 3/4 inch blocks. I welded them on there, and yeah, just whacked it. Didn't bend it one bit. Cardboard CAD. Make a cardboard template. Make one out of paper if you have to. Trace it, and then you just cut it out of steel and grind it to fit. I mean, backyard machining. It got the job done. Just wanted to show y'all a little closer up of my tool I made. Anytime you can buy thick scrap like that, working on heavy equipment, you better have a thick steel scrap pile for making homemade tools like this, because you can't buy ones that are strong enough.
Oh man, we got it loose. It pays to build the tool right for the job, so I just had to get that thicker steel, but I mean, look at this. It's spinning no problem. So I'm gonna pull this cylinder off and we're gonna get it in the shop, and I got all new seals. I'm gonna have to go through it, but we broke it loose finally. Took like 3 days of trying different things on and off. We got it done. We'll get it off. That's it for the video. Until next time, when we work on this Kubota excavator some more, I will check y'all out then. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more Kubota excavator videos in the future. Later.